Hello, and thanks for joining me today. Today I'm going to talk a little bit about navigating your online job search, and I'm going to offer you a few tips just to get you started. So before you begin your online job search, be sure to know what skills, experience, and qualifications you want to market to an employer. Be sure to research what types of jobs you are qualified for, as well as the types of jobs that you're interested in. Know the physical location you want to look for work, and be sure that the location meets your transportation needs. For example, be sure to ask yourself, will I need to have my own transportation, or is the company on a bus route that is accessible to me? So some trusted websites that we recommend when looking for work that focuses on job postings, as well as connecting you to people, as well as companies for networking or hiring purposes, would be the Career Services job site, which is accessible to all students as well as graduates of Fanshawe, company websites where they will post their jobs, Job Bank website, Indeed website, Glassdoor website, and finally LinkedIn, just to name a few. So when it comes to applying to jobs, be sure to follow all job posting directions. Be sure to tailor your resume as well as your cover letter to each job application. So for example, if you're applying to two different jobs at the same company, be sure to tailor your resume and cover letter for each of those jobs. Be sure to align your skills and qualifications to match the job description. And also use keywords from the job posting in your application. This will increase your chances of getting through an applicant tracking system, also known as an ATS. So also be sure to stay organized with your job search. So keep track of the jobs you applied to, and some of the information that we recommend keeping track of is the company name, the job title you applied to, when you applied to the job, and any additional follow-up actions that might come in handy. So these are just a few tips, and if you're wanting more, be sure to connect with us in Career Services in room D1063. The QR code displayed here will send you directly to our website. So thanks for joining, and we hope to see you in Career Services.